Ever wondered why some outfits just don't feel right anymore? Or do you feel like your fashion sense has lost its spark? Maybe you're struggling to find clothes that make you feel confident, or find it challenging to keep your style fresh and modern as you age. You are not alone. In this video, we're revealing the secrets that stylish women over 60 follow but rarely share. Discover the top 10 common fashion mistakes women over 60 often make, and more importantly, how you can avoid them to reignite your style and confidence. Get ready to look and feel your best with these insider tips. Mistake number 10, heavy earrings. Ever find yourself drawn to those big, bold earrings? While they can be a statement, heavy earrings can stretch your earlobes and cause discomfort. Instead, opt for lighter, elegant pieces that still make an impact without the weight. Think of Susan Sullivan. She often wears simple, yet stunning earrings that complement her style. The history of earrings shows that lightweight designs have always been popular among elegant women, from classic pearl studs to delicate gold hoops. Over time, wearing heavy earrings can lead to elongated earlobes and even tears, which are often difficult to repair without surgery. Choosing lighter earrings not only prevents this damage, but also enhances your overall look without overpowering your features. Lightweight earrings can still be stylish and eye-catching, and there are numerous options available that can add just the right amount of sparkle or color to your outfit. Mistake number 9, ignoring proper fit. Raise your hand if you've ever worn clothes that are either too tight or too loose. We've all been there. The key is to find a balance. Properly tailored clothes can enhance your silhouette and make you look polished. Think of Meryl Streep's perfectly tailored outfits. She always looks effortlessly chic because her clothes fit her perfectly. Investing in a good tailor can transform your wardrobe. When clothes fit well, they not only look better but also feel more comfortable. Properly fitted clothing can enhance your body shape, highlight your best features, and provide a polished appearance. Baggy or ill-fitting clothes can make you look unkempt and older than you are, while clothes that are too tight can be uncomfortable and unflattering. Tailoring your clothes ensures that each piece complements your unique body shape, giving you a sleek and stylish look that exudes confidence. Mistake number 8, wearing short shorts. Short shorts might have been a summer staple in your younger years, but they can be tricky to pull off gracefully as we age. Instead, try opting for Bermuda shorts or capris that provide comfort and coverage while still being stylish. Goldie Hawn often sports tailored capris that look both chic and appropriate. Bermuda shorts have an interesting history, originating from the British Army stationed in Bermuda who needed comfortable and practical attire. Today, they offer a stylish alternative to short shorts. Choosing the right length for shorts is crucial as we age. Short shorts can often appear too revealing and may not provide the coverage needed for a more polished look. Bermuda shorts and capris offer a balance of style and comfort, providing a flattering silhouette that can be dressed up or down. They are versatile and can be paired with a variety of tops, making them a great addition to any wardrobe. Additionally, they offer more opportunities to play with different fabrics and patterns, adding variety and interest to your outfits. Mistake number 7, overdoing the makeup. Heavy makeup can settle into fine lines and wrinkles, making them more noticeable. Aim for a natural look that enhances your features. Look at Judi Dench. She often opts for a light foundation, a bit of mascara, and a touch of blush, which makes her look fresh and radiant. The trend towards natural makeup has been growing, with many makeup artists advocating for enhancing natural beauty rather than masking it. A natural makeup look focuses on enhancing your features rather than covering them up. Using a light foundation or BB cream can even out your skin tone without settling into fine lines. A touch of blush adds a healthy glow, and a swipe of mascara can open up your eyes. The goal is to look like a more polished version of yourself. This approach to makeup is not only more flattering but also easier and quicker to apply, making it a practical choice for everyday wear. Mistake number 6. Neglecting accessories. Accessories can truly elevate an outfit, but over-accessorizing can do the opposite. Choose a few classic pieces to complement your look. Think of Diane Keaton. She's known for her understated yet stylish accessories that perfectly balance her outfits. A statement necklace or a stylish handbag can make all the difference. The right accessories can transform an outfit. And historically, accessories have been used to signify status and style. Whether it's a classic pearl necklace or a chic handbag, make sure your accessories add to your look rather than overwhelm it. Accessories are a great way to express your personal style and add interest to your outfits. However, it's important to choose pieces that complement rather than compete with your clothes. A statement necklace can draw attention to your face, while a stylish handbag can complete your look. When accessorizing, consider the overall balance of your outfit and avoid wearing too many statement pieces at once. Instead, opt for a mix of classic and modern accessories that can be easily paired with different outfits to create a cohesive look. Mistake number 5. Wearing clothes that are too flashy. While bold patterns and bright colors can be fun, wearing clothes that are too flashy can overwhelm your look. Aim for a more refined and elegant style that incorporates pops of color or pattern in a balanced way. Look at Helen Mirren. She often wears sophisticated outfits with subtle prints or accessories that add just the right amount of flair. Flashy clothes can be distracting and may take away from your natural beauty. Instead, choose pieces that highlight your features and provide a cohesive look. Subtle details, such as a patterned scarf or a bold piece of jewelry, can add interest to your outfit without overpowering it. When in doubt, opt for classic cuts and neutral colors that can be easily mixed and matched to create a variety of stylish looks. Mistake number 4. Skipping quality undergarments. Undergarments are the foundation of any great outfit. Ill-fitting bras and underwear can ruin the look of even the most stylish outfit. Invest in good quality, well-fitting undergarments. Oprah Winfrey often talks about the importance of a good bra. It can make a world of difference in how your clothes fit and look. The history of lingerie shows how undergarments have evolved to provide both support and style. A good foundation is key to looking and feeling your best. Quality undergarments provide the necessary support and shape, ensuring your outerwear looks its best. A well-fitting bra can improve your posture and silhouette, while comfortable underwear can prevent visible lines and discomfort. Investing in good quality undergarments might seem expensive, but it's a worthwhile investment for your overall comfort and appearance. So take the time to find quality undergarments with the perfect fit for you. Mistake number 3. Ignoring a good skincare routine. Healthy skin is the best accessory. A good skincare routine can keep your skin looking vibrant and youthful. Look at Christy Brinkley. She's a huge advocate for skincare, and her glowing skin is proof of its benefits. Don't skip your skincare routine. It's essential for looking your best. Historically, skincare has been a vital part of beauty regimes across cultures. From ancient Egyptian milk baths to modern serums, taking care of your skin has always been crucial. A consistent skincare routine can address common concerns such as dryness, wrinkles, and uneven skin tone. Start with the basics. Cleanse, moisturize, and protect your skin with sunscreen. Incorporate treatments like serums and masks to target specific issues. Drinking plenty of water and eating a balanced diet can also contribute to healthy, glowing skin. Remember, it's never too late to start taking care of your skin. Mistake number 2. Not updating your hairstyle. An outdated hairstyle can age you instantly. Consult with a stylist to find a modern cut that flatters your face shape. Jamie Lee Curtis rocks a chic, modern hairstyle that suits her perfectly. Don't be afraid to update your look. It can be a game changer. The history of hairstyles shows how trends have evolved, from the finger waves of the 1920s to the pixie cuts of today. Finding a style that suits you can refresh your entire look. A modern hairstyle can take years off your appearance and boost your confidence. A good stylist can help you choose a cut that complements your face shape, hair texture, and lifestyle. Whether it's a chic bob, a trendy pixie cut, or soft layers, updating your hairstyle can make a significant difference in your overall look. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and find the one that makes you feel fabulous. Mistake number 1: wearing frumpy shoes. Comfortable shoes are important, but frumpy footwear can drag down your entire look. Opt for stylish yet comfortable shoes that offer support without sacrificing style. Look at Helen Mirren. She often chooses chic, supportive footwear that complements her outfits perfectly. Today, there are plenty of stylish options that don't compromise on comfort. Wearing frumpy shoes can make even the most stylish outfit look dated. However, you don't have to sacrifice comfort for style. Look for shoes that offer support and are designed with style in mind. From elegant flats to stylish sneakers, there are many options that can keep you looking chic and feeling comfortable. So, next time you're shopping for shoes, prioritize both comfort and style to complete your look. Remember, the key to looking fabulous at any age is to find what works for you and makes you feel confident. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever discovered a new fashion tip or trick that made a big difference in how you dress? Do you have any fashion icons or role models that inspire your style? Share them with us in the comments section below. If you learned something from this video, you'll definitely enjoy this next one.